This guy's legs is good.
It's awesome.
684. Alright, you can go when you're ready.
So I'll probably screw it up, but
That's fine. I screwed it up too, don't worry. This is great being in one of these cars. I've never been in I've been in a lease before.
You fitted in an Elise?
Oh no, my head was hanging out over top of the windshield.
Oh, you had the top.
Had the target top, and I was literally looking over top of the windshield. I mean, it wasn't even close to fitting, but the good news is it doesn't have a roof.
Exactly.
The Exige, no, that's not good. That's a non-starter. But the Elise, yes, with the roof off. Yes, I wouldn't be driving it, but I can sit in it as a passenger. As long as I don't have a roll bar test, I'll be fine.
915, just starting.
It's extra weight, so I can hold by there, by the way.
Going
When they said add lightness, they're not talking about me. Okay.
100.
Super nice in this car.
Yeah, I think it's just not having all the weight up the front, isn't it?
Yeah, the turn-in's just wonderful in this car. Wow. Like, the turn-in's immediate, like you can feel it.
That's my fastest time, so.
So you need the ballast on
I do. It's obviously an unbalanced car without you.
But that was really, the one thing I would say too is I think you can pick up even a little more time if when you come out of that right there, you get on the gas. You get on the gas really, but you didn't get on the gas hard.
Yeah.
So I think if you got on the gas harder and stayed all the way through, you'd probably get a little more speed at the end of that.
I'll try that. Last time.